If you've been thinking of delving into Hornby TT 120, our branch line freight train set is the perfect entry into the world of TT. The set includes everything you'll need to get up and running straight out of the box. The set includes a power plug, a Hornby controller, an oval of track, a Hornby re-railer, Normandy locomotive, open plank wagon and closed wagon. The detail on this entry-level set is impressive, especially given the size of these models, designed to look great up close even at TT scale. For reference, this is the Normandy locomotive compared to a AA battery. Tiny Train is an apt description of this model. We've included one of our Hornby TT re-railers into the box so that setup is nice and simple. Simply place the re-railer on track and slide your locomotive or wagon onto the track with ease. Just a note, ensure you place your set on a flat surface like a table or solid floor for the best performance. With a minimum space requirement of just 71 cm by 83 cm, this set is designed to fit comfortably into your home while delivering maximum enjoyment. Your journey doesn't stop here, of course. Expand your railway with additional track, scenery and rolling stock from the Hornby TT 120 range. Now, the joy of model railways can be enjoyed in a compact, tabletop space, offering all the fun without the need for a large layout. Credit goes out to designer Sam for his work on this set, creating the perfect entry to the Hornby TT 120 world in a small, compact, impressively crafted train set. So, what are you waiting for? Grab yours now and join the growing Hornby TT 120 family.